say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate.
Rabbit!
What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna make semis honk at us. Okay, ready, set, go. Here comes one right now. Here he is. No! Okay, I'll get back to you when another one comes. Okay guys, here's another one. We're about to make it honk at us. Got it? Here she comes. Ready, aim, fire! Yeah! Okay guys, here comes another semi. And we're gonna make this one honk, and I have a feeling it's gonna be very loud. And here it comes. Oh yeah. Okay guys, here comes another semi! Woo! And guess what? We're gonna have it honk at us. Oh yeah. Okay, here comes two semis. See, they're right there.